Recovering Stronger Together was the targeted outcome for the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information's 2021 syllabus. It was instructed by the execution of several core modules designed to ensure learning was achieved and safety secured. The online learning support module called for the dissemination of digital tools and ICT platforms to support remote teaching and learning.
A big thank you to all the companies, individuals or diaspora, alumni associations, and others who stepped forward to help in this initiative to assist needy students to participate in the digital teaching and learning process. The devices are just the beginning. We have started the onboarding of 360 schools that are located in close proximity to the government's fiber infrastructure. For the remaining 661 schools that are not in close proximity to the government's fiber infrastructure, we're far advanced with a national procurement of internet supply for our schools.
As face-to-face learning resumed in September in conjunction with online instructions, the provision of infrastructure and supplies took on added importance.
This is a step in the right direction to bring about order in the mornings, especially when we're back in the face-to-face mode for Mona Heights Primary. Today's official handing over is indicative of a commitment to providing the resources to enable our children to do well in an environment that is conducive to learning.
Financial support for students was another mandatory course of action for the ministry. Outstanding PEP students were awarded scholarships. So too, 50 students pursuing STEM subjects. 51 students from 9 tertiary institutions were also awarded bursaries. And in recognition of COVID's impact, secondary students who were not successful received subsidies to retake their exit exams. Significant advancements were made to the standards and curriculum module to improve the teaching and learning process. The National School Learning and Intervention Plan was launched. Students were connected to a National Coding in Schools program.
To support this, a coding/computer applications class will be incorporated in the regular school curriculum.
A memorandum of understanding was signed to facilitate the continued engagement of Cuban teachers. And enrollment started for the new 6th Form Pathway program.
This means 2 additional years of high school for students who complete grade 11 and want alternative opportunities alongside the traditional 6th Form CAPE curriculum.
Teaching our children was not the ministry's only preoccupation in 2021. Child care and protection also garnered priority attention.
Notwithstanding the tremendous benefits of technology and the use of ICT, online platforms present significant challenges to the safety of children in the virtual environment.
The ministry appointed 11 members to serve on the country's first Child Care and Protection Advisory Council. The 211 helpline was activated to respond to calls reporting child abuse or neglect.
Anyone in Jamaica, Madam Speaker, can take up their phone and dial.
A Safe Spot National Child and Teen Helpline was also connected to assist children and teenagers experiencing challenges. Construction started on the region's first state-of-the-art therapeutic center for children in state care, and the Child Protection and Family Services Agency was given a retrofitted 35-seater bus to further mobilize its mental health services. From one chapter to the next, the mission of Recovering Stronger Together left its mark on the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information syllabus in 2021. I'm Sandra Johnson, and this has been the Year in Review.